This is Elena, Phase 6 of Oasis de Atacama, a 3.5 gigawatt-hour hybrid plant, the largest single-site hybrid plant in the Americas. And yes, it's already connected. But wait, is that really all we're going to say about her? Let's rewind a few months back, when Elena was just another 70-megawatt solar plant and no one could imagine what we've accomplished. We moved 3 full ships from China to Chile, 624 containers. Yeah, you heard that right, 28,000 tons. And then we took them from the port deep into the Atacama Desert, 250 kilometers inland. And you know how many people worked on this? Nearly 400, in the middle of the Pampa, under some of the highest solar radiation on Earth, battling sand and desert winds, a journey worthy of legend. We broke records in planning and execution, 624 batteries, 6,240 battery units, 3.5 gigawatt-hour, energy 24/7 day and night. Elena is on, but our battery journey is far from over. Always moving forward, always building what's next. Always on and on.